Dear student, welcome to the online learning. Today we are going to learn about chapter number 8, that is decimals. So today's topic will be subtraction of decimals here. Let's begin with our today's learning, children. So the questions which are given in textbook page number 181 from the exercise 8.6, that are subtract. So with this question we'll begin here. Rupees 18.25 from 20.75 we need to subtract. So how we do this kind of question? We need to arrange the numbers which are given after the word from first, okay, and then after that number we write here subtraction sign, and then we write the number which are given before from word. So here we wrote rupees 20.75 minus rupees 18.25. Now we will arrange both this number one below another and we will subtract it. So see here how we'll get the difference for this two number. So you can see the numbers, the digits present in the hundredth part of this decimal digit, they are 5. So 5 minus 5 we got 0. Likewise 7 minus 2 we will get 5 and decimal will be brought down as it is. Then you see here the digit in the ones place, it is 0. So we cannot subtract 8 from 0. So we need to take borrow from its previous digit. Okay, that is from 2. So this 2 will become 1, and by taking 1 borrow from this previous number, this 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 8 we can do. So we get here 2, and 1 minus 1, it will be 0. So we got here the difference, that is equals to rupees 2.50. Now see here the next question, that is 202.54 meter from 250 meter. So here children you can see the numbers which are given in terms of meter, they are not in like decimal form. So first thing, you need to arrange those numbers in terms of like decimal which are given in question. Okay, and later on you see here that the number which was written after the word from, it was 250 meter only. So after the decimal digit no digits were present. Fine. So after the decimal point, you see here in the first number it was having 2 digits after the decimal point. So likewise in this number 250 also we will mention here 2 digits after the decimal point, okay, towards the right side. So here we wrote 250.00 meter minus 202.54 meter. Now let us arrange them one below another and get its subtraction. So here you can see we have the difference, like you can see children that the digit present in hundredth part, it is 0, and from 0 it is not possible to subtract 4. So what we will do, we will take borrow from the previous digits, but here the previous digit is also 0, and before that also when you see in ones place also the digit is 0. So we will take the borrow from the 10th place, okay, that is having the digit 5. So from the 10th place if you take borrow, this 5 will become 4 and the digit in the ones place will become 10. Okay, but when it will give one borrow to this 10th part of the decimal digit, so this 10 in the ones place will become 9, and here the digit in the 10th part will become 10 here. Now as such the 100th part of the first number digit is 0. So by taking the borrow from this 10th part, okay, this 100th part will become 10 here, and this 10th part will reduce to 9, you can see. Now we can subtract this 4 from 10, okay. So 10 minus 4 will give us 6. Likewise 9 minus 5 we can do, so we'll get here 4, and decimal will be brought down as it is down, and then 9 minus 2 will give us 7, and then 4 minus 0 will give us 4, and 2 minus 2 will give us 0 here. So we got the difference, that is 47.46 meter. Likewise we'll do for this question also, that is 2.051 kilometer from 5.206 kilometer. We arrange them one below another and we'll do the subtraction from the right hand digit of the decimal places. So here we got that 6 minus 1 you will do, so you'll get here 5, and again you can see the digit in the 100th part, it is 0 on the top, so we cannot subtract 5 from the 0. So we'll take one borrow from this tenth part digit, that is 2. So this 2 will reduce to 1 and it will give borrow. So here the 0 will become 10 in the 100th part. Okay, and then this uh, the 100th part digit we can subtract it. So this 10 minus 5 we will do. So we will get here 5 and 1 minus 0 will give us 1, and then decimal digit will brought it as it is down, and you can see 5 minus 2 when we do, we get here 3. So the difference are as like 3.155 kilometer. Now come to the next question, that is find the value of. So children, here the questions are already arranged and given with the subtract sign. So let's arrange them first of all in like decimal form. Okay, so we will arrange it and then one below another. While arranging, we will subtract it. So the subtraction will be, you can see 6 minus 0 will get here 6, and 5 minus 8 is not possible, so we will take borrow from the previous digit for this 5. Okay, so this 7 will become 6 and this 5 will become 15 here. So you can see 15 minus 8 when we do, we'll get here 7, and 6 minus 2 will give us 4. Decimal will be brought down as it is. 9 minus 6 will give us 3. So here is the difference, 3.476. And now for the next question also, that is 21.05 minus 15.27. So arrange them one below another and put a subtraction sign, then subtract them from the right hand digit of the decimal places. So here you can see that the digit in the 100th part of the first number is 5, which is less than 7, so we cannot subtract. Okay, so it will take borrow from the previous digit, but as such the previous digit is also 0 here, so it require the borrow from the previous digit which is present. So you can see here now 1 is there, so 1 when it will be given to the 0, it will become 10 here. So let's see how we'll do the subtraction. So here this 2, it will become 1 here, and from this 2 we have taken the borrow, so this 1 will become here 11, and as such again the 10th part digit requires the borrow, so this 11 will reduce to 10, and this the digit in the 10th part 0 was there, so it will get 10, and this again 10 will reduce to 9, and now we can give borrow to this 5, that will become 15 here. So now it is possible to get the subtraction done. So 15 minus 7 will give us here 8, 9 minus 2 will give us 7. Now see here, this decimal will be brought down as it is, and this 10 minus 5 will get 5, and 1 minus 1 0. So we got here 5.78 as a difference. Now come to the question number 3, children. Raju bought a book for rupees 35.65. He gave rupees 50 to the shopkeeper. How much money did he got back from the shopkeeper? So these are the question which we will solve here. So first it is a word problem question. So let us frame the a statement here that cost of the book bought by Raju, it was 35.65 rupees, and how much money he gave to the shopkeeper, that is equals to rupees 50. So the money Raju got back from the shopkeeper is equals to 50 rupees minus rupees 35.65. We will subtract the money that was the cost of the book from the money which was given by the shopkeeper, the total money. Okay, with the total money we will subtract the cost of the book. So we will arrange first of all, as we have seen the previous questions, likewise we will arrange this amount also, and from the right hand digit of the decimal places we will do the subtraction. So you can see here again this, whenever the digits are less than of the above number. Okay, so what we will do, we will keep on taking the borrow from the previous counting digit. So you can see here this 5 will get reduced to 4, and the ones place digit which is 0, it will become 10. Now this 10 will get reduced to 9, and the previous digit in the 10th part, it will become 10 here, and again this 10 will get reduced to 9, and the digit in the 100th part which is 0, it will become 10. So now 10 minus 5 will get here 5, then 9 minus 6 will give us 3, decimal will be brought down, and then 9 minus 5 will get 4, 4 minus 3 will get 1. So you can see here therefore amount Raju got back is equals to rupees 14.35. Come to the next question, that is question number 6, children. You can see Namita travels 20 kilometer 50 meter every day. Out of this she travels 10 kilometer 200 meter by bus and rest by auto. How much does she travel by auto? So you have to frame the statement first of all for the given thing, and we have learnt in the previous class how to convert the things in one single unit whenever you will find any information given in terms of two different units, so kilometer and meter. So first we'll try to convert this thing in terms of kilometer completely. Okay, so we know the relation. Using that relation we have converted here this 50 meter in terms of kilometer by dividing it with 1000. So we got here 20.050 kilometer, and the distance traveled by bus is equals to 10 kilometer 200 meters. So again we will convert it in single unit. Okay, so using the relation between meter and kilometer, this 200 meter we have divided with 1000, that will be converted in kilometers. So the final representation will be 10.200 kilometer. Now distance traveled by auto will be obtained by subtracting this total distance traveled by Namita every day with the distance traveled by bus. So let us arrange them one below another and get the subtraction done here. So you can see here the digit in the thousandth part, it is 00, so it will be 0 as it is, and 5 minus 0 will get 5 here. And now you can see in the 10th part the above digit is 0, so we cannot subtract 2 from it, so we'll take borrow from the previous digit here. Okay, so this 2 will become 1 of tens place, and the digit in the ones place, which is 0, it will become 10. Then again it will be reduced to 9, and it will give borrow to the 10th part digit of the first number, and that will become 10 here. Now we can do subtraction. So 10 minus 2 will give us 8 here. Decimal will be brought down. 9 minus 0 will become 9, and 1 minus 1 will be 0. So here you can see the distance traveled by auto is equals to 9.850 kilometer. In the same way, come to the question number 7 here, children. That is, Akash bought vegetables weighing 10 kg. Out of this, 3 kg 500 gram is onion, and 2 kg 75 gram is tomatoes, and rest is potatoes. What is the weight of the potatoes we have to find? So let us solve this word problem. First we'll mention all the informations from this question. So total weight of vegetable bought is equals to 10 kg, and as we know the relation, because you can see the questions, they are given in two different units, that is kg and gram. So we must know this relation, that 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. So using this relation we'll convert the complete things in single unit form. Okay, so here weight of onion is equals to 3 kg 500 grams. So when we use this relation of 1 kg and is equals to 1000 gram, we will bring it in terms of kg lastly. So 3.500 kg we have got. Now a weight of tomatoes is equals to 2 kg 75 gram. In the question it was given, so by converting we have got here 2.050 kg. How we have got? We have divided here the gram, the numbers which are given with the unit gram by 1000 we have done. Okay, so we have got the complete thing converted in terms of kg. So that's what we got, 2.075 kg here for the tomatoes weight. Now therefore the weight of potato will be given by total weight of vegetables subtracted with the sum of weight of onions with the weight of tomatoes. So let us do this. So first we'll add the weight of onion with the tomato. So when we have done this addition, we got here this from the right hand digit we did. So here 0 plus 5, 5 will get, 0 plus 7, 7 will get, 0 5 plus 0 we get 5, and decimal digit as it is we will bring it down, and then 3 plus 2 will give us 5. So we got here the weight of onion and weight of tomatoes. Okay, the sum. So with that you have got here the sum. Now what we will do, with the total weight of the vegetable we'll subtract this weight. Okay, so let us do the subtraction by arranging them. So again you can see here we have arranged this quantities here, and now we will subtract by taking the borrow. So here this 10 will become 9, and the previous digit in the 10th part it will get 10. Now again that will be reduced to 9 here, and that 9 uh, will be as it is, and the just after that you can see the 100th part digit is 0, so that will become 10 as such. From this 10, 1 is given borrowed to this 100th part digit of the first number, so it becomes 10 here. But again here in the 100th part the first digit is 0, so we require here the borrow, so this 10 in the 100th part will be reduced to 9, and the 1000th part digit will become 10 here. So 10 minus 5 will do, so 5 will get 9 minus 7, here we will get 2, and now you can see 9 minus 5 we will get here 4 point, as it is we will bring it down, 9 minus 5 will get 4 here. So we got the answer 4.425 kg, the weight of potato. Okay, so here comes your home assignment. Complete the exercise question given in the textbook page number 181. Thank you children. I hope whatever we learned you have understood.